Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Atieno Eliam. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, today I decided to go at the farm place. So before I go there, let me show you something here. So let me show you something. Here we have some rabbits. Yeah, let me show you them. We have some rabbits. I think that I've brought for them food, but here they are. Here we go. Here we go with them. There is no food for them. Yeah, we have some rabbits here. Yeah, they sleep at some sleeps at the pot, some sleep here. Yeah, I know you will ask yourself that why is it divided into this. Some sleep there at the pot. Rabbits sleep at the pot, and there are cubes. Yeah, and we have as for new chickens. Yeah, if you know that, so let's go. Let's go, guys. It's dark. This is where the birds are sleeping at. These are their cubes. This is where they get their foods. Yeah, they're all over. They're relaxing because it's hot. It's hot. It's very hot. So they are relaxing. Some are in here. Some are outside. As you can see. Yeah. So guys, I'm heading to the farm so that I can show you everything. Yeah, but they're just there's some people at the farm. Yeah, they're farming. They're farming. I don't know what they will farm there, but what they will plant there. But right now they are farming. Let me show you if I can. Yeah, let me just show you. Let me again show you the horse. Horse is there. Horse is there. I don't know if you have seen. Yeah, horse is there. Let me guys show you. Men at work. Yeah. Okay. I can't. I can't go. There's some. Oh, let me try this part. There's a part of it. I think I can walk to this place. Yeah. Let me try. If I can't, then we just go back because it's not. I must go there. Yeah, I've managed. I've managed. And, guys, I don't think if I... Anyway, it's raining. We have to struggle. So this is not the running water. I can. So guys, it's running water. Let me show you again. Let me show you again. It's running water, water, water. So men at work. Let me go and see them. Let me go and see what they are doing, because I don't know what they are planting, but they're still farming. Yeah. I don't think I will reach there, but let me show you what they are doing. Let me just show you. So, guys, I think in this river, there's some place they used to remove sand. They use this sand. They remove the sand, then use it. They're using the sand. So, yeah. And they use this sand to to build an house. Yeah, guys, I won't reach the other side because they are far away. So today we'll just sit here at the river running water. Yeah. I think if you have stress, you can just come here and yeah, just be two of you. Two of you meaning you are here and you just this is like a music. Yeah. So you play this music, this running water is just the music now. So it's a therapist. So if you have stress, you can just come here and do it. Can do it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So the breeze, that breeze, it was really shining, but now the breeze that I'm getting here is wanting. Yeah, I love the breeze. And let me show you guys. And this water is clean. I don't know how it tastes, but it's clean. As you can see, it's pure, it's clear. Even if you've just fall, if you have maybe your money has fallen down, you can pick it. Yeah. So guys, I think this part is deeper, and this is the part they removed the sand. As you can see, these are sand. I think they removed the sand here to they use this sand to build. As you can see, I think I show you the sand there. Yeah, because it's cool. I think you can even come and take a shower here because it's a bit private. People don't use it. Yeah, so many people don't use this river. Yeah, but I don't think if you can swim here because you can go with the water. This water is running, it's not stagnant. You can go with it. It can take you away. So I'll show you this one. Let me look and see if I can show you another thing. Guys, I think I've shown you around where I went to. So I don't think if I have any other thing because those people were far away. So I think this is the end of this video. Guys, just bear with me because my videos are short, but bear with me, everything will be fine. Maybe I don't know, but everything will be fine. Let's trust the process because it's not easy. Yeah, but I'm trying. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, we have to say bye. And before I say bye, tell a friend to subscribe because we are road to 500 subscribers and we can do it. we can do it. We can really do it. Yeah, if you guys agrees to do it. Yeah. Bye.